Hey there! This well-loved but beat-up piece just made me $175 in under 20 minutes. No chemical stripper, no sanding, no priming, no painting. Just one product that cost under $10, and I didn't even use all of it. So if you DIY or furniture flip, pay attention because this may change how you work.
One of the amazing things about being a furniture restorer is that your friends and family just kind of give you their old furniture sometimes. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but that's what happened with this piece. This belonged to my mother-in-law when she was in high school, and she didn't want it anymore, and so she turned it over to me. And I'm so thankful because this is a beautiful Lane cedar chest from their Alta Vista collection. And there are a lot of these running around, and they are all just distinct and beautiful in their own way, not to mention that they smell amazing. Another fun fact about Lane furniture is they literally tell you the date that they were manufactured. You have to read it a little bit wonky. So you look at the serial number and you read it backwards. So in this case, the 02 would be February, the 15 would be the 15th, and 81 would be 1981. So this was made February 15th, 1981. And then the 2, this sometimes happens with manufacturer, it's the plant number. So February 15th, 1981, this was made. I struggled and struggled to decide what to do with this chest. I even took to my social media accounts to see what my followers thought I should do, and ultimately, they recommended that I paint it. So I did what any healthy creative would do, and I jumped over to Pinterest. And I really liked this piece by Dude Dodson. I felt it was so modern and sweet and cute. But I also really liked this chest by A Ray of Sunlight. I thought the applique was really beautiful and just simple but also ornate. What to do? Well, I did neither. The wood purist in me could not paint over a beautiful cedar wood chest. Instead, I pulled out my trusty Howard's Restore finish and a triple aught steel wool. This chest had been very loved and well taken care of, and there weren't a lot of deep gouges or scratches, just some spots where the finish had failed. This made it the perfect candidate for a restore finish versus a full deep restoration. Just a quick reminder of where we started, scuffed up, dirty, and look how the Restore finish completely revitalized this exterior. It looks almost like brand new, with just a couple spots that have been loved before. Usually I would polish up these handles and pulls, but really they didn't even need it. Even that fantastic green felt just needed a light vacuum and it was good to go. I sold this cedar chest for $175 in 3 days.
Let's do a little bit of math, okay? Don't be scared. I'll do it all. So the total bottle of Restore Finish cost $8.99, okay? And I used about a quarter of it. And so that's $2.24 total in product for this restoration. And I sold it for $175. So total profit would be $172.76. Not too bad for 20 minutes work. If I was to make that an hourly rate, that would be a little over $518 an hour. That is not too shabby. Now, is this for every project? Absolutely not. If it's severely chipped, severely stained, this isn't going to be the product for you. But if you're looking to make a quick profit, this is a great way to do that. I want to be really clear that I'm not being sponsored by Howard's Restore Finish. This is just a product that I really believe in and use regularly, and I want all of you to know about good quality products. I will put a link down to my Amazon account down in the description if you wanted to give this product a try. But just want to share any good information from one restorer to another. A little project like this cedar chest is a great way to start your furniture flipping and furniture restoration journey. It's something that'll help you build experience and confidence and put a little money in your pocket too. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section and I will share any knowledge that I have.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you liked what you saw, and I'll see you next week.